Okay, so we have our total current assets. Now we're trying to get our total plant assets, so we're going to add 7,479.94 plus 30,692.49, and that gives us 38,172.43. And then your total assets are going to be your total current assets plus your total plant assets. So I'm going to add those two together. 66,520.71 is 104,000. See what I did with math here. Oh, I added wrong. Sorry about that. I'm getting in too big of a hurry here. So, wow, I'm way off on that one. I should have known better. There's 81,000 right there, so I must have forgot one of those. So there's our total current assets. And then, of course, this one's going to be off because I added that one wrong. So 185,715.40 on the other one. Okay, so liabilities and equity section. We've got the assets done. So this is your liabilities section. And this is your current liabilities. Again, ones that you should pay off before the end of the year. So we're going to get those from up here. So it's a matter of me adding correctly. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this up where I can see it here. Okay, so accounts payable is 13,191.28. Sales tax payable 2,859.71. Employee income tax payable 760. Social security tax payable 1618.45. Okay, enter all these other numbers and then come back. Okay, so total, I typed all those in there, and now you're going to total those for total liabilities and then come back. Okay, last section is stockholders' equity. In the capital stock, now we're going to get this off of I don't know how to get this repinned here. I'm going to pause it. Okay, so the last part is of the balance sheet is the stockholders' equity section, and you need to look at the statement of stockholders' equity for that. First part is asking for capital stock. So the balance at the end of the year is $82,500. So that is what you're going to put here. And then retained earnings, again, from your statement of stockholders' equity is $76,432.20. And then this is total stockholders' equity. We're going to add those two together. So we have 82,500 plus 76,432.2 is 158,932.20. 158,932.20. Okay, so now we're going to do total liabilities and stockholders equity. And then you should add the total stockholders equity, total liabilities up, and see if they equal 185,714, which are your total 40, which are your total assets. If they do, then you're in good shape. If they don't, then we did something wrong. And when I add those two up, I get the same number, so we're in good shape. So 185, 715.40. Let's see if we did that one right. And we did that exactly right. Okay, so you're going to go on to the mastery problem to work on that portion of the mastery then on your own.